Everyone. Oh, good. Hagrid sent you to help.
Absolutely.
Oh, good. I shall need your help, everyone. Yes, come in close. I want to make sure I can see all of my help, all of my students. Yes, very good. You see, something has happened. We have lost a hippogriff named Fleetwing. Yes, she flew off into the forbidden forest and has not yet returned to the palace. And I fear she is in great danger. I just found this feather still warm, which means she can't be far. Yes, everyone's coming closer, and you've all remembered to bring your wands, yes? Take them out. If you don't have them, that's fine. You've made it this far, you're probably a very powerful wizard, and you'll be fine. Now, before we need to go on our journey, we have to see where we're going. A Lumos spell should do the trick. Everyone, wands out. Point them at the forest. On the count of 3, we shall all cast Lumos. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Lumos! Very well done, everyone. Now, before we move any further, I want everyone to be aware we are heading into the Forbidden Forest. So remember, danger lies before you, while safety lies behind. Yes, everyone, stay close to one another. We must look out for each other in the Forbidden Forest.
Keep a pace. Follow. Stay with your group.
Usually they only behave this way.
One another. Good. Nice and pushing, darling. There we are.
Yes.
That's good. Nice and
Right this way. Make sure you surround the pixies so they don't get away. Yes. Come in, everyone. May I make you a leader? Yes, follow me. You're the leader. Everyone follow this leader here. And you shall come right to there. Good. That should get them all well surrounded so none of them can get away. Oh dear. These pesky pixies have upset the monster full of monsters. Oh dear. Oh my. Oh, he is rather active, isn't he? Everyone, I shall need your help here. Get your wands out. I believe this calls for the freezing charm, Immobilis. On the count of 3, we shall all cast Immobilis. Focus your energies and your wands at the pixies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Immobilis. Oh, very well done, everyone. 5 points to every house. And now let's see about this. We must put this to sleep. You there, could you help me? You just need to stroke the spine very gently, and that will put the book. Oh, very well done. You've done this before. Yes. Excellent. Yes, he's going right to sleep. Well done. 5 points to your house. Well, everyone, we must continue searching for Fleetwing. I shall inform Filch of this mess. Everyone, follow me. Right this way. Follow me. Slytherin.
There we go.
Oh dear. 1, 2, 3. Everyone, move on. wands down and act natural. I am a professor at
Visitors are not welcome here, especially those that cast such loud spells.
But we are searching for a lost hippogriff named Fleetwing. Have you seen her?
The stars speak, but I do not trust your kind.
Oh, wait, I hear her. That's Fleetwing. She must be close.
Very well. Finish, then leave.
You have my word. Everyone, let us continue this way. Let us go, everyone. We are very fortunate. The centaurs have allowed us to continue our journey. Don't leave it not maze. Far into the forest. Everyone, I am sure things just will be now. Yes, right this way, everyone. Oh no! Everyone! This is Devil's Snare. I thought it was Mandrake, but I was wrong. Everyone, Devil's Snare grabs a hold and never lets go. If it's this large, I am afraid that Fleetwing may be caught. We must find a way through. Let us think. Devil's Snare, Deadly Fun, sulks in the sun. Yes, I heard it from the front and the back. Well done, everyone. 5 points to your house. Lumos Solem. Yes, the sunlight charm. Everyone, get your wands and your wills ready. We shall focus upon the Devil's Snare on the count of 3. We shall all cast Lumos Solem. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lumos Solem. Well done, everyone. Let us continue. Try not to let the snare touch you. Your wands and your wheels ready. 1. We shall all... Oh yes, no, I cannot do this alone. I shall need all of your help to free Fleetwing. Gather all of your courage. Focus your wands and your wheels at the Devil's Snare. On the count of 3, we shall all cast Lumos Solem once again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lumos Solem! Everyone, we must greet the Hippogriff in the proper way. We all must bow. You need to fly back to the paddock now. And I shall guide you back to Hogwarts. Thank you, everyone. We've done it. This day, everyone. This day. Oh, congratulations. Get into my bravery house. If I only know what we want to do. Don't have to be the professor knows the bravery of Gryffindor. The tenacity of the Hufflepuff. The intelligence of the Ravenclaw. And the leadership of the Slytherin. You have made your way out of the darkness. hope we meet